This is our second door option, is the Euro door, also from Arctic Tern. You see on the outside it already looks a bit different. It's also a little bit taller. We have a window in there. And on the inside of the door, we have a blind for privacy, a small cubby, you put your keys or whatever, built-in garbage can. And to lock and unlock the door, you just use this little contraption there. Out here, what you see is the electrical hookup for the portable diesel heater. Turn it on and off from the inside of the camper and you're set to go. As an upgrade, we offer the Arctic Tern awning style windows. You can choose the size and the amount of windows you want for your truck campers. When you purchase the camper from us, we get you 10% off on the windows and all other accessories you want to buy at the same time. We are inside our 6.5 truck camper. What we did in here is not something you have to do, but this is something we feel really comfortable with. We think a camper on the inside should look like a really comfortable place to hang out. Black walnut fronts, a nice countertop, and nice stainless steel hardware throughout, and of course a nice cozy fabric. So what you see in here is actually we have a double size bed in here as a standard. You can easily extend it to a queen size. We have an extension for this one. We have the Arctic Tern windows in here with the built-in shades, with the sunshade, with the fly screen that comes down. Tons of counter space compared to other truck campers. Underneath that seat bench, storage area for the water tanks and whatever provisions you want to bring with you. Where my feet are, there's a little raised platform. Again, tons of storage in there, so easy accessible. We have a Lagoon table mount here, like it's a swivel table mount, so you can push that table out of the way. We have a tall cabinet with tons of storage in here. A pull-out fridge, 12-volt Dometic fridge that can also be a freezer if you want to. This one pulls out for easy access. And then on the entry point here, when you come straight in, we put an outside decking material down so you can use for rain gear or even as a wet bath, right? We have a shower curtain that goes in here too. This is one of our skylights. It's about 500 by 500 millimeter skylight. Like the windows, we have a double pane acrylic here, so it's insulated. You're not getting condensation on the inside. It's a mechanical one, so you just open it up and it opens up all the way, or you can also lock it in place just half open. You can do that too. So now, where can you find more information about our truck campers? Very easy. You either go to totalcomposites.com or you can go to www.expeditionupfitter.com, where you will find all specs, all different sizes, and you will also find more information of our dealer locations in North America. We have a dealer location network that's constantly expanding, and every month you will find a new dealer on our website. You can go directly through them or you can purchase them through us directly. Pricing is all the same.